Okay. Alright, this is a scavenger hunt we have to do. And the first one is producer. And my name is Gabriel, and the Cody is the cameraman. Producer. The tree is a producer because it produces air for itself. And that is not correct. Yes. It produces air for us, and it produces its own food. Fine. And don't follow my pencil. I can leave it wherever I want. Yes. This is the first part of our scavenger hunt. And And that's the first. Our next part is to find a part of plant that absorbs water. And right here is a perfect example. This is a dandelion, and here is the root that it sucks up the water from the ground to keep itself alive and make flowers. That is the second part, which is what absorbs water. Thank you. Alright, our third scavenger hunt is part of plant that catches sunlight. And here are flowers that are absorbing the sunlight to bloom their petals out. Alright, if you look here, our next part of scavenger hunt is find part of plant that reproduces seeds or flowers. Here, right here, is perfect. These right here are seeds that when they fall off the plant, you can watch them, they fly, and they just reproduce everywhere. And that's how they grow more plants for themselves. When they start to die, they lose those. Or you can blow them by yourself. As you can see, our next part is find 3 different types of seeds. I have gone around and collected them. Right here is from one of those, one things that I said, one of the little plants that I said. From the last part. Yeah. See the seed on the end right there? That flies around. There's that one. This one came from a flower that was on the tip. That was purple. Wasn't it the purple one? Or yeah, it's the purple one. And there's the one. Alright. Here's the last one. This was from actually the tree right here. These little ones right there. And as I can tell, they grow in between the creases of the leaf. Alright, and here it is. Alright. As you can see, our next scavenger hunt part is the herbivore. And we have found an ant hill that... with this really cool flower right here. Yeah. We know that ants, they eat grass and sometimes a little meat. Maybe if they're really hungry, but see here, this is perfect for what they eat. These little weeds, they will chew on this and just eat it. So herbivore is something that only eats plants unless in desperate times. So, if this little leaf right here was to eat this little leaf right here, that would be called cannibalism? Yes, I saw it, kind of. Alright. We gotta find an omnivore. As you can see, there's a bird. If you can. Fine. See the little bird? Oh, you see him? Straight up. He's right there. Can you see it on there? Not really. There, I see him. It looks like a bat, but it's really a little That's bird. The bird that eats worms, which is meat. And if they can't find any, then it'll eat some trees. They eat plants too. As you can see, our next scavenger hunt is find 2 decomposers. I was digging under rocks and I found a worm. Look at that little guy. So ugly. And then like a turd. Yes. And right here, see there's a green. Dude, look at the green. I see it. Alright, the green right here. It's on your finger. That's fungus. I don't care. It's fungus. Those are two decomposers. A decomposer is something that eats, like if you threw a bunch of, like old food and stuff, all like trash that you're not gonna eat. These little guys and the fungus, the fungus absorbs it, and the worms will eat it and produce more dirt for us, which is poop, kind of. Don't stomp on it. I gotta go let this worm go, but put him in the rocks. Alright. Here, you can watch me put the worm back.
Is home away from home?
Yep. Put it right. Nope. That's gonna be, oh, right here. Alright. Put him right there. Goodbye, little guy. Get in there. There we go. Now this will not smash them. Rocks, they're fine, they dig. Alright, goodbye little guy. As you can see, our next scavenger hunt is symbiotic relationship. It says explain how each organism help each other.
So, why are we in front of a tree?
The tree, it produces air so we can breathe. And when we exhale, that's what they breathe in.
We need CO2.
Yeah, we cannot breathe what we breathe out because we can't. That'd be like no oxygen for us.
So that's why our breaths always smell so bad.
But that's just what they breathe.
Take that, moms. All across the universe. Dun, dun, dun.
And that's symbiotic relationship. As you can see, our next one is the
provider of all energy
to Earth, which is sun. And there it is. Can you see it?
No, I can't. I can see it in real life. Oh, wait, there it is. Oh, wow, that's pretty dang cool.
All right, that is the sun. It provides all energy for the Earth. As you can see, our next one is to see what photosynthesis is. Photosynthesis is where plants take in water from the sun and make energy. Someone just fell, dude. Someone fell in the creek. They get bigger and bigger, and then
until eventually they turn into these.
Yes, that is photosynthesis.
Yeah.